Unlock the rhythm. Mastering Dance Off Your Feet. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase that's all about energy, enthusiasm, and letting go. Dance off your feet. If you've ever wondered what this phrase means and how you can use it in your daily English conversations, you're in the right place. Let's break it down together and get you confidently using this expression. Dance off your feet is an idiomatic expression that paints a vivid picture of someone dancing with so much vigor and passion that it's as if they could literally dance their feet away from their body. It's used to describe a situation where someone is completely immersed in the act of dancing, to the point of losing themselves in the music and the movement. But it's not just about dancing. This phrase can also metaphorically mean putting all your effort into something, showing great enthusiasm, or being extremely active in pursuing an activity or goal. While the exact origins of this phrase are hard to pinpoint, it's rooted in the idea of dancing energetically or enthusiastically. It's a phrase that captures the essence of letting go, enjoying the moment, and giving your all to an activity. You might hear "dance off your feet" in various contexts, from literal dancing scenarios, like at a party or a concert, to figurative uses, such as someone working tirelessly on a project or passionately pursuing a hobby. It emphasizes enthusiasm and dedication. To help you understand how to use "dance off your feet," here are a few examples. After the final song, everyone was dancing off their feet, completely caught up in the music. She's been dancing off her feet preparing for the upcoming performance. Her dedication is truly inspiring. The team worked as if they were dancing off their feet, putting in every ounce of effort to meet the deadline. Adopting idiomatic expressions like "dance off your feet" into your English conversations can make your language more colorful and expressive. When you want to describe intense participation or enthusiasm, whether it's about dancing or any other activity, this phrase can add that extra flair to your communication. Practice using it in sentences about activities you're passionate about. For example, "I was dancing off my feet trying to finish my painting for the art exhibition." And there you have it, folks. Dance off your feet is more than just an expression. It's a vivid description of passion, enthusiasm, and dedication. We hope this video has helped you understand how to use this phrase in your English conversations. Remember, language is not just about grammar and vocabulary. It's also about the colorful expressions that bring it to life. Keep practicing, and don't be afraid to dance off your feet in both your conversations and your pursuits. See you in the next video.